Today we have with us the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Looking forward to this phone. I've never used a Pro Max before. I've always stayed with probably the 12 mini. I've been using S21. Currently I am looking forward to using a Pro Max. Never used a bigger phone, so it will be an experience for me. This one is in black and it's 128 GB. Now it is a bigger phone. Comes in at about 6.7 inch. Saying that, the weight is also, it comes in at 226 grams. Has Apple's iconic A14 chip, which is the latest chip at the moment. Camera 12 megapixel. You can also record in 4K. Now the battery is 3678 milliampere battery. But again, I don't know if that will reflect in better battery life because you are using a bigger handset. Let's just get straight into the unboxing and first impressions.
This is what we'll be unboxing first. It is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It is a very nice box. Let's get this off. Come very easily off. I am looking forward to this. Let's go. Oh, very smoothly. I think that's because of the box. Just remember there's no charger. There's the 3 cameras. Or you could say that is the phone. Let's put the phone on one side. First we'll come back to the phone. Let's see the contents of the box. You got a cable there. Okay, that's what comes in the box literally. So let's go and inspect everything. First of all, it's the cable. As you can see, that's a USB-C to Lightning cable. That's in the box. It's a standard one that comes in. I'm hoping the SIM pin would be here. Yes, it does feel like there is a SIM pin in here, and that's a SIM pin. At least they never cut back on the SIM pin, hey? That's great. To the grand finale of the iPhone. Oh. One thing we have noticed before unwrapping it, if you look closely, it is actually telling you what the buttons are for. So you've got the silent mode there, which is just basically just switching it on and off. You've got the plus and minus, which is like, it could be the ringer, it could be the volume, and you have the power button there. Okay. That comes very easily off. Ooh. Now just feeling that as a Pro Max, let's just go around. The weight is significantly more. I was previously using a mini and I've been using the S21 Samsung for review purposes, but this is slightly heavier than that. The grey on the back, I don't know if you could tell, but it is prone to a few fingerprints. Going through the side, the metallic is very shiny. You're gonna have a few fingerprints on there. You've got the power button there, you got a thingy. It's quite a simple unboxing, to be honest. I am looking forward to it, using this for review. There's a SIM slot. It's a nano SIM card slot that goes in there, and you could use a SIM pin for that. That is great, guys. Thank you very much. I'll just remind you that what is in the contents of the box. It's the phone itself. Then you have the USB-C to Lightning cable, and finally this, which also contains the SIM pin. Thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully I shall see you in a later video. Thank you for watching.